What if I tell you there's a stock in the Nigerian stock market that I bet you don't know about? In today's video, I'll be telling you about the stock, I'll be telling you how much I've gotten after investing in the stock, and some other things you need to know if you're a beginner investor. Now, the goal of this video is not me recommending the stock for you to buy. The goal of the video is for me to create an awareness about the stock and some other tips you need to know before getting a stock from the Nigerian stock market. If videos like this interest you, then click that subscribe button, because here in Waxfly TV, we go about giving you information on how to go about investing online and making some cash for yourself. Now, the stock I'm talking about is the Nigerian Stock Exchange stock. That's the NGS group stock. Now, the Nigerian Stock Exchange is a group whereby you can list the stock or you can trade a stock. It's a group whereby companies go about selling their stock to the public, and you can go about investing in stock using those group. That's the Nigerian Stock Exchange. But they also have a stock, that's the NGS group, and currently the stock is performing well. So I'll be diving into my screen for me to show you the stock and how much it has gotten me since I invested in the stock. So you can see that the stock has gotten up to 72%, and you can see it's up there. I got just 609 units of this stock, and you can see I've gotten 18,321 naira at the moment. Wow. And I got the stock for 41 naira, and you can see from the view equity detail that the stock is currently trading for about 70 something naira. Let's just wait for that to load completely. It's currently trading for 71.85 naira, and you can see that I've gotten a whooping sum of 18,321 naira. That's 72%. Imagine if I've invested 100,000 naira in this stock, I would have gotten 72,000 naira in just few weeks. I just got this stock about 2 weeks ago, and you can see what I've gotten from the stock. Now, this is not me advertising the stock. This is not me telling you much about this stock for you to go and invest. This is just me creating an awareness as regards the stock and some other stock that are performing well in the Nigerian stock market. The truth is that some persons feel like the Nigerian stock market is not performing well, but I've just shown you an example of a stock you don't really know about. That's the Nigerian Stock Exchange group. That's the NGS group, and it's currently performing well. You can go about investing in the stock or investing in other stock out there if you want to invest in the Nigerian stock. How do you go about knowing some of this stock? Just spend some time making some research on stock in Nigeria, and once you've gotten the list of various stock, you can make some findings about the stock. You don't need to be perfect when it comes to analyzing stock, but you need to get started. You can use Afro Investor 2.0 because they give you some stock, they recommend some stock you can go about investing in. You can use other brokerage platform, they go about recommending some stock also. But you too, you can do your due diligence to make some research as regards the stock. Now, the reason I bought this NGS group stock is because of I feel like once a company is being listed in the Nigerian stock market, there are greater chances that the capitalization of the Nigerian stock market will increase, and also the stock price will also increase for the NGS stock. So that's the reason I bought the stock. When I discovered that Dangote fertilizer will soon be listing, and also Dangote petroleum will soon be listing. If you are waiting for those listings, you should stick to this YouTube channel. Once the list, I'll make a video so I can go about investing in Dangote petroleum or Dangote fertilizer. Now, this is a good thing about investing in the stock market. You can get 70% in just 2 weeks. You can get 70% in just 2 months. You can also lose your money, so it's very much volatile. In the previous video I did, there is a stock I invested in that I'm currently losing 40 something thousand naira at the moment, but I'm not really part of because of in this stock I'm getting 18,000 naira at the moment, and other stock I have invested in are doing well. So one thing I will advise, if you are investing in any stock exchange, maybe the US stock exchange or the Nigerian stock exchange, do well to make some research about the stock and also diversify, so that any stock that is not performing well, the other one will complement it and you will not really lose in the stock market. So this is all I have for you today. I just inform you about this stock that you don't know about. That's the NGS group stock. You can go about buying it today, or you can buy some similar stock and get started with your world of investing. If more videos like this interest you, do well to hit that subscribe button. If you have a comment, drop it in the comment section, and I look forward to replying all your comments. Don't forget to like this video so that to reach out to lots of persons. See you on the next one.